same rail, grasping the rail together with my hands, smiling and inviting. Her perfume reached my nose. Obsession, yes, obsession. That I know and that I don't like. Neither the name nor the smell. I turn around to see who she is, just a kid around 15. What does she know about me or the world? Remind me of more. Who will go in the fire to get the satisfaction, not to get burned? I looked at her and looked away. Come on, she whispered in my ear, getting off the train. I stayed with a smile.